The Kazakh Khanate, to some extent, is a logical continuation of the state building, which existed and disappeared in ancient times.
Kazakh Khanate is a government that was famous by its beneficial relationships with their neighbors in its own epoch.
Contemporary Kazakhstan is a creative country, which esteems highly its state and national traditions and approaches its future greatness with confidence.
May the Kazakh nation having chosen to live under one Shangri-La ever dwell in unity, since from the forthright spirit of the nation is the strength of the state derived. Nursultan Nazarbayev.